Families, we want to share with you our pathways for secondary math courses. In the 2021 to 2022 school year, the Verona Area School District adopted the illustrative math curriculum to provide a seamless middle and high school learning experience. Our district equity goal is that each student has access to the resources and educational rigor they need at the right moment in their education, regardless of race, gender, ethnicity, ability, language, family background, or family income. The curriculum that we adopted, Illustrative Math, is a problem-based curriculum designed to prepare students to solve problems, reason, communicate, and think critically. The curriculum's principles stem from wanting students to believe that anyone can do mathematics and that persevering at mathematics will result in understanding and success. The Illustrative Math 6 through 8 curriculum is highly rated by Ed Reports and meets all expectations across the 3 review gateways. Ed Reports is an independent nonprofit that reviews K-12 instructional materials for focus, coherence, rigor, mathematical practices, and usability. A VASD and illustrative math goal is that students are provided opportunities to not only learn about mathematics, but to, more importantly, do mathematics. Doing mathematics goes beyond procedural fluency and can also be defined as engaging in the mathematical process. In middle school, students will take 6th grade math, followed by 7th grade math, and then have the opportunity to select either Math 8 or Algebra 1 their 8th grade year. Students experience the illustrative mathematics curriculum for the first time at VASD in 6th grade. Therefore, the goals of this course are to introduce and familiarize students with the IM routines, in addition to laying the groundwork for the geometric, algebraic, arithmetic, and statistical work that students will engage in throughout middle school. With a year of experience in the illustrative math curriculum, 7th graders apply the learned IM routines as they engage in further exploration of arithmetic and algebraic topics and skills. The goal of this course is to bridge the foundational work of 6th grade with the preparatory work of 8th grade for high school. In 8th grade, students have the option between Math 8 and Algebra 1. While Math 8 and Algebra 1 are intimately related, as topics covered in Math 8 are fundamental to those in Algebra 1, they are distinctly valuable courses. Math 8 is the traditional course designed for 8th graders in the illustrative math curriculum, while Algebra 1 is a high school level course designed to follow Math 8. A strong foundation in both courses is essential to high school and college readiness. Regardless of the 8th grade class that was taken, all students will have a path towards taking calculus at the end of high school at the Verona Area High School. There are several paths that a student can take based on schedule availability and preference. For additional information on middle school and high school course offerings, please see the attached informational packet. Contact classroom teachers, the math department chairs at your school, or the curriculum and learning specialists with further questions. Thank you.